Hi guys, Celeste again. Today we will be working with Crystal Clawz Builder Gel. Let's start with the natural overlay. Kindly take note that I've written down the steps in the bottom so you can have a step-by-step guide. I've already prepped these nails and will now apply Unibase. As you can see, it goes directly onto the nail, no primer or any bonder needed. Cure for 30 seconds and we will go ahead with our Builder Gel application. All the products will be listed in the comments below, but today I'm using number 51 and it's one of my favorite new colors from Crystal Clawz. It's very natural. First, I create a slip layer. I cover the larger area of the nail plate with my normal gel brush and then I go in with my detail liner. This really allows me to get up and close to the side walls and the cuticle area and really gives good coverage before I apply the bulk of my product. I will now apply more product to my wet slip layer and gently guide the product where I want it to go. Remember to turn your client's finger around. This helps with the self-leveling process. I've cured the product and there you go, a natural overlay. It's as easy as it can be. I lightly buff to check for low spots and high spots. Once I am satisfied, I will wipe the nail with a sanitizer and apply an even layer of Crystal Clawz top coat. Remember to cap when you top coat. This is very important. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was useful. Kindly hit the like and subscribe button and I will be back with more for you guys.